Hey guys, welcome to Tenorshare. Forgot the passcode for the iPhone, causing it to show the iPhone unavailable. This will result in you not being able to use your device. How to fix iPhone unavailable. This video, I will show you 3 ways to fix iPhone unavailable. Let's get started. Method 1. Fix iPhone unavailable with Apple ID. If your device is running iOS 15.2 or later, entering an incorrect passcode multiple times will cause the device to show iPhone unavailable. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the option to forget your passcode. You need to tap it. Your device will then show iPhone reset. You need to tap Start iPhone Reset. Then you need to type in your Apple ID password. Tap Done. Requires you to tap Erase iPhone again. Your device will begin to reset. The device reset process will take 5 to 10 minutes, so please be patient. Okay, your iPhone has restarted. You need to set up your iPhone. Use iCloud backup to restore iPhone data or set it up as a new device. Okay, the device setup is complete. You can now use your iPhone as normal. If your device has an iOS version lower than iOS 15.2, you need to try the second method. Method 2. Fix iPhone unavailable using iCloud. You need to access iCloud.com on your computer. Then sign into your Apple ID account on your iPhone on iCloud. Once you have signed in, scroll down the page to find the Find My option. Click on it. In the list of all devices, find the unavailable iPhone and select it. Then you need to click on Erase this device. This will erase the passcode from the iPhone. Click Next. Then you need to enter your Apple ID password again. Follow the steps next. Click Erase. Okay, your iPhone will start to erase. Then you need to select Remove this device again. Click Remove. Type in your Apple ID password again and click Remove device. This will turn off the activation lock on the device. Then your iPhone will start resetting. Okay, wait for the iPhone reset to complete. After the device reboots, you need to set up your device. But if your device cannot connect to the network, then I will recommend you to try the next method. Method 3. Unlock iPhone with Tenorshare for UK. Tenorshare for UK can help you to solve iPhone unavailable problem easily and quickly. It is compatible with all iPhone and iPad devices. You can get it at the link in the video description. Then you need to connect the device to your computer. Launch Tenorshare for UK on your computer. Click the Start option under the Unlock iOS screen feature. Then put your iPhone in recovery mode. You need to press the volume up and down buttons. Then press and hold the power button. Wait for your iPhone to turn off and enter the recovery mode. For UK will provide the latest iOS firmware for your device. Click on the download button. Wait for the firmware download to complete and it will start removing the iPhone passcode. The iPhone passcode removal process will last for about 10 minutes. You need to wait patiently. When finished, your device will reboot. Then you need to set up your iPhone. On the activation lock page, type your Apple ID and passcode to unlock it. Then on the Transfer your apps and data page, select the Restore Backup method that applies to you. I use iCloud Backup here. Enter the Apple ID account and password. Then you'll need to perform a couple of steps to verify your information. In iCloud Backup, select the most recent time backup. Proceed to set up your iPhone. Wait for the iCloud Backup restoration to complete. When it's done, your iPhone will undergo a reboot. Now your iPhone is ready to work. These are the 3 ways to fix iPhone unavailable. Thank you for your patience in watching. Hope the solution in the video will help you solve your device issues. If you have any other Apple device issues, please write in the comments. We will help you answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching. and let's see you in the next video.